హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, అందరూ బాగుండాలని కోరుకుంటూ ఈరోజు మనం ఈ వీడియోలో 10th క్లాస్ సోషల్ స్టడీస్కి సంబంధించి 4 మార్క్స్ మోస్ట్ ఇంపార్టెంట్ క్వశ్చన్స్ గురించి తెలుసుకుందాం. ఫైనల్ ఎగ్జామ్లో ఈ క్వశ్చన్లు చాలా వరకు వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. వీటిని తరోగా ప్రిపేర్ కాగలరు. ముందుగా జియోగ్రఫీ, ఫారెస్ట్ అండ్ వైల్డ్ లైఫ్ రిసోర్సెస్ టాపిక్ సంబంధించి వాట్ ఈజ్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ, వై ఈజ్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్స్, ఆర్ వై ఈజ్ బయోడైవర్సిటీ ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫర్ హ్యూమన్ లైఫ్స్. నెక్స్ట్ వన్, హౌ హ్యూమన్ యాక్టివిటీస్ ఎఫెక్టెడ్ ద డిఫ్లెక్షన్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లోరా అండ్ ఫౌనా, ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్. Write a note on good practice towards conservation of forest and wildlife. Next one, distinguish between reserve forests and protect forests. Next topic, minerals and energy resources. Why do you think that solar energy has a bright future in India? Next one, why do we need to conserve mineral resources, or explain the importance of conservation of minerals? Next one, distinguish between the ferrous minerals and non-ferrous minerals. Distinguish between conventional and non-conventional sources of energy. Next topic, the rise of nationalism in Europe. How did Germany achieve unification? Next, how was the nationalism in Britain unlike the rest of Europe? Next one, observe the map and answer the following questions. ఈ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకటి వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. అబ్జర్వ్ ద మ్యాప్ అండ్ ఆన్సర్ ద ఫాలోయింగ్ క్వశ్చన్స్. Next one, next topic, the age of industrialization, పారిశ్రామికరణ. How did the East India Company procure regular supplies of cotton and silk textiles from Indian weavers? Why did some industrialists in 19th century Europe prefer hand labor over machines? Next one, why did the industrial production in India increase during the First World War? Next one, why the East India Company appointed Gumastas to supervise weavers in India? Next one, explain what is meant by proto-industrialization. Next one, women workers in Britain attacked the spinning jenny. Why? Next topic, gender, religion and caste. Caste has still not disappeared from contemporary India. Give any 3 examples, justify the statement. Next one, explain the various forms that communalism can take in politics. Next one, how does caste affect politics in India? Next one, what is secularism? Why is it necessary to have secular in India? Why secularism is necessary in India? Next one, observe the bar graph, analyze the graph. ఈ టైప్ క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒకటి వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, outcomes of democracy. How does democracy produce an uncompatible, responsive and legislative government? Next one, appreciate democratic government is better than all forms of government's right. What are the conditions under which democracies accommodate social diversities? Next one, Democracy cannot reduce inequality of incomes between different citizens. Support or oppose your answer. Next, explain the right to information. Next topic, development. Abhiruddhi. Why do we use average? Are there any illustrations to their use? Illustrate with your own example related to development. Mention any four characteristics of development. Next one, list a few examples of environmental degradation that you may have observed around you. Next one, what do you mean by per capita income of country? How can it be used to compare two countries? Next one, why income is not an adequate indicator of material goods and service that citizens are able to use. Next one, why is the uses of sustainability important for development? Issue of. Next one, table and question and answers. ఈ టైప్లో ఒకటి వచ్చే అవకాశం ఉంది. నెక్స్ట్ టాపిక్, కన్జ్యూమర్ రైట్స్, వినియోగదారుల హక్కులు. ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ హౌ ద కన్జ్యూమర్ ఆర్ exploited or mention a few factors which cause exploitation of consumers. Next one, what factors gave birth to the consumer movement in India? Trace it evolution. Next, explain the need for consumer consequence by giving two examples. What is the relation behind the Enhancement of Consumer Protection Act 1986? Next one, critically examine the progress of consumer movement in India. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel.